What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. It is a beautiful day outside today. Beautiful day today. Look at the sky, not a cloud in sight. It is such a beautiful day. So today's goal is to clean this car up. So I've been working in my car for the last couple days and it is pretty bad. I got tools everywhere. So today's goal is to clean up this car and get this car all clean. And today's goal is to put the shifter in, take that shifter out, clean up the car, see if we can't get it looking all nice and neat, and some new eyelids. I got some new eyelids too. I got new eyelids. These go in the front under the lights. I will show you how these look when they get in. They're pretty dope. Always wanted eyelids. So those go in. There's this little trick that happens when you snap your finger, like all this is supposed to be gone, and I don't think I have that power yet to make the snap of the fingers, but I'm still gonna give it a try, and maybe I'll get the power. Let's try it. Nope.
A few moments later.
Alright, now that that's out the way, time to put the shifter in. The steering wheel is in, the shifter's in, the shift bag is in, and that's all starting to look really good. I don't know, tell me what you guys think. Next we got to get these seats out of here, get some black seats in here. Still need that black door panel right there. Now, this trunk is a mess, so let's clean this trunk up. And I think I might feel a whole lot better. Nope. Still nothing. I have every little screw in the back of my trunk. Look at this. This is a mess. This is why I'm cleaning it up. It looks so bad. Every little screw. branch, bolt, nut, thing, everything.
Prince Street, August 14th, a Soho bar, a speakeasy. It's you and me and I'm feeling free.
Boy, it looks so good.
How everyone gives up.
Now I can actually check again.
It's you and me, it's a cloudy night to smoke one.
And then I'll be on my way.
How things happen when you move to the city.
Nope, I might as well go ahead and put my cover back on now.
How you feel me. All things happen when you call me pretty. When you're with me, how you feel.
Alright, finally put that cover back on there. It looks so much better with the cover on it. Alright, so now it's time to put the eyelids on. And they are going to go right on top of the lights. So first, all we have to do is take off 2 screws. 1, 2. Well, that's it right there, guys. I think that looks awesome. Always wanted those on there. I think that's pretty dope. In addition that you add to the front of the car. You know, it kind of gives a look to it, like a mean look almost. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you guys think about the yeah. Well, hope you guys have an awesome day. I appreciate you guys tuning in to watch the channel, and I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, have an awesome day. Peace.